This is so awesome to be in person for the first time in forever.
I know. I've been waiting. I'm like, how much longer until the human interaction can happen?
Yeah. Now, Lauren, you're such an inspiration to so many people, but what encouragement do you want to send to young people today? It's a hard time to be a Christian.
Yeah.
A young Christian, there's so many pressures. What encouragement do you have?
Yeah. I would just say, I know when you mention pressure, blessed are those who are persecuted. It's what always comes to mind. I know that it's difficult, and I know that not everybody wants to be told about God, but I have found that people do love to hear that God is love and He is kind and He is patient with us. And anytime that people understand God is gentle, He's not always this angry man, anytime people hear that, their guard is let down. So it's a way to share the gospel. It's a way to tell others about Christ. And I remember when I was in high school, people were being bullied, and I was like, God, I want a backbone of boldness. Give me some sort of boldness to where I can stand up for people who need to be stood up for, and where even when my peers are persecuting me, I can still make a stand. And if you ask God for that courage, He will give it to you. He will give you boldness. He will give you courage. And just know you're not the only one doing it. It will feel like in the moment that you're the only one making a stand, but you're not the only one making a stand. There's others around you, and we've got your back.
Now, there's so much going on in culture right now. What role do you see Christian music playing in the current cultural moment?
I was actually talking to the Isaacs about this. We're in a dressing room right now, and they were talking about all the songs that have gotten them through, like in the 60s and the 70s, and these songs that really made a mark to encourage people, to remind them of what matters, to bring people together. And I think if the Christian music industry taps into that and understands, like, we have the thing that will reign true for all hearts of men, for every single person. We have an answer for hopeless times. We have the hope of the world. So if we can tap into that in our writing, in our lyricism, and in our melodies, then we'll have a song that the world can cling to.